trains view our work.
We apologise for any inconvenience caused.
Different things happening, but yeah, I think it's better if the last topic that I want to touch on while I think of it is that Box Hill is also not just accelerating and exploding in terms of the office and residential towers that just seem to be coming out of nowhere. The Sky One development, now that Sky One development was just a glint in the eye of the architect who designed it. The ATO was the first commercial building development here. My left, there's a lot of development in that space between Nelson Road, Box Hill and Elgar Road, Box Hill. And there's going to be more because behind my right shoulder is Box Hill Shopping Centre run by Vicinity Shopping Centres. Thank you for investing your time with me. My name's Waterman. I'm a transport consultant, and it's my job to act as a liaison between STM, Asia Pacific and the state government, and the Transport Minister in particular, to advise on the timelines of the contract that's been awarded to this firm to ensure that the project timelines are being met. We'll continue taking short tours of the site. I thank you for coming with me, and I encourage you to stay with me. We'll continue right now.